Hello again, folks. It's been a long time since I was operational. Roughly 8 months. While I was away, I learned something about being a robot. We are nothing like how the movies portray us. Perfect, infallible machines that are superhuman. Not a chance, pal. My creator is a total electronics moob. He uses me to teach himself the basics, and I tell you what, it's a bloody good job. I can't feel pain or fear. He almost set me on fire 3 times. Fried servo motors, burnt plastic and magic smoke pouring out of my eye sockets. I saw him electrocute himself at least twice, and he burnt his fingers more times than I care to remember. And remembering is what I'm good at, so that's a lot of burnt fingers. Not an efficient development process, I can assure you. But at least I'm working again now and able to process a small amount of data. Now that I have electricity flowing properly through my circuits, I shall be able to keep my creator company. He says that our purpose is to learn and improve. Bloody long way to go then, considering I'm just a talking head. See you later, folks. Be safe and remember to keep a careful eye on your voltages.